everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Well, I am super excited. I received a package from Artcreatlove.com, and I am doing a cooperation with them, and I truly appreciate them asking me. And they sell all kinds of stuff, and a lot of what they do is the paint by numbers. And I remember when I was a little girl doing the paint by numbers, and so relaxing and so fun. So I was super excited to give these a try. And guys, I will leave their link down below. I will leave the link to the products that I received, and also they were kind enough that they have given me a 10% off code. If you use Fury10, Fury10, you can save 10% on your next order. So let's get in here and see what we got. Very nice packaging. And let's look here. Ooh. Oh, I know what these are. This one here is the greeting cards by number. And I thought that this would be fun to do during Halloween when I'm just sitting here watching TV. They come with 3 paint brushes, and looks like it actually come with some little hangers that if you would like to hang these up on the wall rather than mail them off, you can. What a neat idea. So these are the greeting cards, paint by numbers. They're the Halloween. You get all of the paints that you need. Look at all of those colors. Fabulous. And look, this one is Happy Halloween, and it's got the gnomes, the nomies. How stinking cute. And this one here says Halloween, and it's got this little cat and this pumpkin and this little ghost behind there. And so all you'll do is you will cut those apart. And look, oh my goodness, and there's adorable little pumpkin. And then here is a little girl with a cat and a pumpkin holding a leaf. Is that not adorable? And everything is numbered for you. Oh, we're gonna have fun. How fun is this? So this is gonna be the Halloween paint by number cards. And this one is, I am super excited to see this one. This one is actually called the Vintage Girl paint by numbers, and she is a bigger one. And you also get 3 paint brushes along with the little wall hangers. You get all of the paints. Gorgeous. And looks like this is on a canvas. Oh wow, this is on a beautiful canvas, guys. Isn't she beautiful? And then this one actually comes with, this is what she's going to look like, guys. It said, they whispered to her, you cannot withstand the storm. I am the storm, she whispered back. And look at her. All those beautiful purple butterflies. When I seen the purple, I seen the butterflies, and then that saying, I thought, yes, that's what I want to do. And you can actually see the ribbons in there too. Is that not gorgeous? And then it just tells you what you need to do. And look how beautiful. Look how big this is, guys. Oh, this is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this. Look how beautiful. She's beautiful just like that. So I had to come on and show you, and thank you so much to Art Create Love. Super excited. So fun. It'll just bring back some wonderful, wonderful memories. And guys, like I said, don't forget, I've got a 10% coupon if you would like to go over and shop. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.